Hi everyone, we are excited to share our journey from the Explore Fellowship organized by IIT Gandhinagar. Over 45 plus days, we have explored more than 10 states across India, traveling from the snowy mountains of Himachal to the serene backwaters of Kerala. This trip was more than sightseeing. It was a journey of self-discovery, challenges, and endless learnings. We began our journey in Delhi and set out for the mountains of Himachal Pradesh, visited Manali, Rohtak Pass, Solang Valley, and beautiful Atal Tunnel, before heading to spiritual heart of Uttarakhand, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Mussoorie, and Dehradun. From there, we moved to Uttarakhand, exploring Lucknow's famous Animabad market and the spiritual city of Banaras. In Bihar, we saw Patna's history and peaceful monasteries of Bodh Gaya, a route then took us to Sikkim, where we visited Gangtok, Lajong, and Nathula. Before knew through is the biggest challenge it was. After being rescued, we continued to West Bengal to see Kolkata's bright temples and colonial streets. Heading south, we reached Tamil Nadu for Chennai beach and temples, then the French-inspired Pondicherry and backwaters of Kerala in Kochi and Alleppey. In Karnataka, we admire the loyal heritage of Mysore before enjoying the relaxed beaches and flea market of Goa. Finally, we ended in Maharashtra, experiencing the blushing energy of Mumbai. Every state was a new world, different languages, culture, food, and stories. And even that's what made the journey unforgettable. Culture, markets, and people. We didn't just visit places, we truly experienced them. We tasted Lucknow's famous food, explored Banaras's spiritual energy, admired Madhubani art in Bihar, and walked through the colonial streets of Pondicherry. The markets plays a huge role in our journey. We interacted with local sellings, chicken curry in Lucknow, sandalwood items in Mysore, and handmade crafts in Gangtok. We understood how small businesses, handicrafts, and tourism sustain local market economies. Sikkim was the most beautiful place we ever visited, but one of the most intense and unforgettable part of our journey was getting stranded in Lachung, Sikkim. Due to heavy rainfalls and flood, the only bridge connecting us to the outside world was destroyed. For 3 days, we have no way out. The food was running out. We, along with 15 to 12 other travelers, reached out to the nearby Indian Army camp for help, and they came out through. They gave us food, medicines, and warmth we desperately needed. This incident wasn't just about survival, it taught us humanity, teamwork, and mental strength in a way nothing else could. And here is a short video of us getting stuck and rescued too. Here is the food provided by Indian Army: rice, dal, potato, along with some chapatis and a little bit of cucumber and other stuff. This trip taught us a lot. We learned how to adapt when trains get late and routes are cancelled. We became better at visiting, learning to live with less, and embraced every surprise, good or bad. We respected different cultures and people, from monks in Bodh Gaya to the fishermen in Kochi. And when one of our teammates dropped out early on the trip, we learned what is really mean to have each other's back. We are so grateful to IIT Gandhinagar for giving us this once in a lifetime opportunity. It wasn't just fellowship, it was a real, it was raw, it was India in its purest form. And we come back not just with memories, but with stories, friendships, strengths, and the kind of learning that stays with us forever. Thank you.